dong muka ka hithi along KSA KSYC lapen itpika song thomatum chelangsi MLA Dr. Numol Momin Ami Phi ke kai lapen kapin rempon son si pini pai pai chikloni phai pho surihini ra ingkoi ra pho dong muka ka hithi along KSA KSYC lapen itpika song thomatum chelangsi MLA Dr. Numol Momin Ami Phi ke kai lapen kapin rempon bangso mi phi ke kainang kokalam theke kedam tangar ni inkoi ratrok duar baguri constituency along BJP mass joining program along MLA Dr. Numol Momin kaning jalam thilake Karbi Anglong hemprega pharman ilituma phan Medical College Dipu University Veterinary College BAD College Autonomous Council ta nang pilo lapen Karbi Anglong by gate kasalam ji aphanta nang pilo autonomous state aphanta abatsi Karbi Anglong aphan nang kilo lapen Karbi Anglong hemprek mate article 244A chehang thurong pulote ilituma phet chiroi thurong po pusi MLA Dr. Numol Momin pen kaning je pon lasi Karbi Anglong arat kedoan lapen song kedoan atum ningkang samse chipaklangsi pini dong muka ka hithi along MLA Dr. Numol Momin Ami Phi ke kai pon pini ka chisong asong ja po atum ningduk ningkang pen chipaklangsi alang litum phirangkia thengnu lamthe nangki jai duna lamthe ke Karbi Anglong aphan langrop lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along lapu anaja kongdo pulote MLA Dr. Numol Momin aphan arpu pen sorplot nang ji lapen alang like Meghalaya asor Meghalaya pachedam nang puta bangso kachisong along pen lamthe chipaklang ponrinti ang tona lamthe KSA KSYC lapen itpika asongja po atum phirangkia pha nang kapachini dona lamthile arjupon lona denarong penili tuma phirangki arun terang nang kilo berta news report public TV Karbi Anglong
Numol Momin down. Numol Momin down. No to the mistake. No to the mistake.
Go back.
Numol Momin act thui. Numol Momin act thui. Numol Momin hosiar. No to the mistake. No to the mistake. No to the mistake.
Benilitu Karbilo Charlie Asong Chenglo Karbi Student and Youth Council lapen ITPK pen Chenglok letu penaan lata public tumpen letu lobang so protest dengan kolam tugela lo kedam tang ni thoma prang letu bokajan lo MLA Dr. Numol Momin alang li statement na puthap sin letu post nang kolo abang so post nang kolam thegela lo letu Karbi Anglong hempreka putha ningkan thongkep plikep aprang palitum kache song hala so kache song long litum hanak kam khedon so litum chet peklong heulo so ke kam khelong pulitum alang ligening je long litum chini dam nang kolam thegela lo litum state hangbom hosuta melang lige non litum phan chief minister kaning je polam theban salang li reference and polo hala bang so chief minister kaning je lo bangke litum Karbi Anglong along phan bangke tun ma state pena aja kongan su sesili tumhan Karbi Anglong pakai nang biar lo pusalang li kening je ta sinon alang li kening je pakai li tumhan atun state pen aja kongan su senang biar lo por itu Karbi Anglong pen bangke 244A artikel 244A hempreka putha bangke li tum ka chisong bangke chisong nang nelu halas jongsi li tum chisong lo pulotang te li tum lost speak pu pusalang li kening je da sehula solong pulotang te li tum Karbi arat pen Chenglong la da Karbi Anglong lo he sudo an la pen hepi ke do ben dak do rapet akhetu
Go back. PML Dr. Numol Momin go back. Dr. Numol Momin go back. BJP go back. BJP go back. Team Karbi Anglong go back. Team Karbi Anglong go back. Dr. Numol Momin go back. MLA Dr. Numol Momin go back. No to the state. No to the state. Go back. moving, go back, go back, BJP, go back, go back, go back, BJP, down, 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 Team Karbi Anglong, down, 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 Team Karbi Anglong, down, 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 Dr. Numal Mumin, down, 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 Dr. Numal Mumin, होशियार, 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 MLA Dr. Numal Mumin, होशियार, 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 terima kasih, terima kasih, MLA Dr.
Ini aprangsi nilai tu arakat LSC, APSLC, oi ben nilai tu kaca song ponang kau bangke lehelo, itu mahot poroi dina jitu duar bakuri.
Okay, done.
Okay, the statement which has been given by Dr. Numul Momin during the mass joining program held in Duarbaguri constituency was very unfortunate, and we, the APHLC, Auragat LEC committee, has strongly condemned about the statement or the remarks that has been given by Dr. Momin. He said that autonomous state is valueless. There is nothing in the autonomous state, and he further said that instead of autonomous state, the people of Karbi Anglong, they are getting more development from the Chief Minister of Assam. He said that there is no development like medical college or BF college or any other agriculture college in the autonomous state. So Dr. Momin, he said that instead of autonomous state, the people should ask for development. But it is unacceptable. We, the APHLC, we condemn the statement or the remarks which is made by Dr. Numul Momin. And those who oppose this Article 244A or autonomous state were anti-constitutional and anti-Indian, because Article 244A is mentioning clearly in the Indian Constitution itself. So it is the right of the people, and it is the right to get an autonomous state for the people of Karbi Anglong and Mahasau. So we will call upon all the people of Karbi Anglong to protest against the statement or the remarks that is given by Dr. Numul Momin. And this is a clear warning to all those anti-autonomous state forces that whoever oppose Article 244A or the creation of autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and Mahasau, they are anti-Indian, because creation of autonomous state is clearly mentioned in the Indian Constitution itself. And this is a very special provision for the people of Karbi Anglong and Mahasau, that an autonomous state shall be created for both the district, that is for Karbi Anglong and Mahasau. So we should oppose and we should fight back to those people like Dr. Momin, who gave a very bad comment, who gave a very sentimental remarks for the people of Karbi Anglong. So we, the APHLC, we don't accept the remarks or the statement that is given by Dr. Momin, and this is a clear message for Dr. Momin that you apologize within a short time. Otherwise, we are going to burn the effigy not only here in Dokmuka, but all over Karbi Anglong, all over the 26 constituencies. That's all.
Lindok rong pi la pen sarthi tok bia rong ara tum ninga rong pen kachuro kipi lakhain ko rapho nilip constituency ke parlo sarthi tok bi la pen lindok rong pia rong ara tum ning ka rong pen bokajan MLA Dr. Numul Momin nilip MAC Pobitro rong pi Chukihola Ton Committee Chairman Vinson ronghang la pen nilip Education Board Chairman George rong pi la pen akapre ki theki dinga phan akero kipi Ate pinang ananingkan dulu labang sua dulong kabi penajo arong arat atum kisung kacicak na Osomar school kidam kirang lapen kisu ki un e lapen hithi kulat kidun punon dolong kabi penajo kisung punang lo lasi prabjin pen RRC adulong nang pibek nang ji pusi tim Karbi Anglong lapen ning kimia bangku CEM Dr. Tuliram ronghang aphan nang barbek khau pusi hadak kidu arong aradatum nenga klong pen chuning ripon tangte ang ton penalam arjupon sina Nilip Chuki Hola Pen Nilituma Pirangki Tharson Teron ng Kilo Abirta News Report Public TV Karbi Anglong
Chilo Ringmaster Pini labangso ketiroi longji phan nilitum phan aghonta lapen jang thu alang litum pensinang pidor don lo lasi churu parpilo sar nang litum nilitum phan labangso dulong pen ajo nitum pinangan ingkan keban aprang ben lo keheng no sikidam kewang student atum lapen kiso chipon lapen an parta pinangan tum lada accident klu lo sikechilang nang lasonta dulo lasi nilitum labangso kisu mekejok ji phan non kichibon BJP sarkar mate team Karbi Anglong lapen atogan no mate Karbi Anglong dang lapen Karbi Anglong chotli alangli akithek lapen akam biklem Karbi Anglong lapen asan lapen hadil hianda me alangli ke klem tup thek aman penge do kaching hone sir tuliram ronghang Dr. Tuliram ronghang alangli phan prabjin pen nitum la sarthi to bi lapen lin dok rongpi labangso min atuar lo block office nili block office kita matuar lo ongdung office hospital ben chenglok PWD office ben chenglok nili block ben chenglok kapre office nambe pu labangso tuar pen si nitum teroi si pelinangji la si prabjin men kirabji phansi nili tum pini ladak lana porse me ongdung arat pen nangli phanchuni ripon lo sir la si nali prabjin pen nili tum phala bangso adulong RCC bridge na isuji phan la sini tuma along metilong semen ali phan miram dam semi pipon lo labangso bridge la long ni dulong ni tum ka vi pena jok kisung thepilo sir la sipining ve li to ning aklong la peli to ning kidugalam nali phan chithan pon lo la sin immediately nali labangso lambang ke prabjin pen nali labangso aputa inquiry semenak to itami sir la pen nali hian pen sitame labangso kisung phra ke number 1 dijanda long si pipon po sili tum ning thepen kroilo lapen chuniri thulo pendeng we ladak pu kaching hon sar yup tokbi lapen parta dak rong mukhiar side lo kadoka we alang litum pentame rong arlo akisung kiduk kethana lam ne lipeli pedoni deji poselang lupenta lam thesi nali tung arji pontha nilhin pen prabjin pen nili non kichibon sarkar long board president nili siri kensing terang hin pen kuchuri mate kipiklang dun alam kala helo la sinilam thelan helo kardo pini la ke hungbar di hungbar non bajiner cap so se chot an lo yo pini la dak nili MSC ke parlo chokolai driving PS number 24 la bang so andar long sir Davidson rongpi mate lindok rongpi adulong non nili tum selambo la si labang so aputa ke lahenlo je nilitum nilibangge non mat ke ladak chola driving PS no president nilmen kensing tera sinili president truben pini ladak lindorong pe rong sarphan Davidson rong pina me akero pilo halang lipen singki ji than su labang so dilong ke don ni idea lang le chipidun lo lapen adun thu elitum nili balong ko pai ke me BJP sarkar pen labang so scheme nang ke pi borpung tarapung labang so ke claim bom a foglen tata company tum phan litum chingki chi thandam si alang litum pini labang so non lana port sme na claim nu ji phan wang si na claim pi bom lo la pe labang so gari mate labang so foglen phan jang thu nangji la pen bidi sure nangi pu nang ke pidun bokajan LA 108 Dr. Numal Mumin MLA sir lapen adun thu nili town committee chairman sir Vincent ronghang lapen alang lihemasor lapen nilip chukala mate Karbi Anglong long education chairman sir George rongpi lapen ke adun thu thula mamyate
Litu masong benda nili anti social activities protection na hin benda me isi ningkarong mate kachuru ipidun kela hello je nili tu maphan kon yar ni benta lapuson ke towar ka cheleng ka sik sak dupen sa pini yar ni alang litum sa me inut bahni nili balong ke thege ding tum sida minang ke rap dun polang tum ta chorolo nili tu masong hin be sa me lapen non ke log Charlie also martun ta me ni bang so me ke cheleng ke nang so da pot non la bang so to warnang ki pikela a de long ke sela ke se marlong ke la ke me pigalam lo la pen la bang so a ke klemolo nang ka cherab dun ka do ka we hantan li tuma songa hin pen sori sori ka dom pa juri lo la pen non li tum long ke do en thing no ke do li tum long asar yu tok bialang li phanda choro lo la pen dak chokela right wing appears ken sing terang saralang li phanta choro lo la pen li tum long kai ke bidi nang pidun ver assistant a video sar kiri rong pi alang li some kai ke cherok tok pen bidi sore nang pidun ver pot alang li phanta choro lo la pen kai ke kisung along nang ke rabdun ver town nili chokela town committee a chairman sir Winton ronghang phans deme choro lo la pen Karbi Anglong Karbi Anglong autonomous council along board chairman sir Josh Rong Pia Phanta Chorolo la pen media person nalang litung semi ajob hirlo kewang nang chipat duk pen labang so dimalong nang home report lang litung abitung phanta men nilitumas ahin pen chuning ri kachurup pajir iglo lahenlo nilihin pen ke